Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel English Edifier and I am Priyanka. In my previous video, I discussed with you all the use of the indefinite articles a and an before proper nouns. If you haven't watched that video, I shall put the link below in the description box. Do go and watch it. Now viewers, we all know that we can use the before certain proper nouns like names of books, rivers, oceans, seas, mountain ranges, trains, aeroplanes, etc. But can we use the before names of persons and countries? This is what I'm going to discuss with you all today in my video. So without delay, let's begin. We have never heard anybody saying, my name is the Rahul or my name is the Smita. Similarly, we don't say, I live in the India or I live in the Delhi. But does it mean that we can never use the before proper names which denote names of persons or names of places? Yes, viewers, we can. And that is what I'm going to discuss today. So let's begin. The first situation in which we can use the before names of persons and places is when the proper noun is used for comparison to denote a time. Let's make it clearer with the help of an example. Let's take this sentence, Kalidasa is the Shakespeare of India. When I use the Shakespeare, you might feel that it is wrong, but I'm comparing Kalidasa with Shakespeare. We all know that both Kalidasa and Shakespeare were famous writers. So this is what I'm comparing. I'm comparing the writing quality of Kalidasa with that of Shakespeare. We all know that Shakespeare dominated the English literature with his dramatic genius. Similarly, Kalidasa has swept India with his plays in Sanskrit, which means that Kalidasa was no less than Shakespeare. Hence, when I say Kalidasa is the Shakespeare of India, it means that Kalidasa's significance in India is same as Shakespeare's in England. And what I am actually doing is I am comparing the writing ability of Kalidasa to that of Shakespeare. So this is where we can use the before the proper noun. Let us take another example to understand it even better. You all have heard people saying Shillong is the Scotland of the East. Now it so happened that when the British went to Shillong, they were taken aback by its beauty. The hills of Shillong reminded them of Scotland and hence they referred to it as the Scotland of the East. It means that they compared the beauty of Shillong to that of Scotland and hence they used the before Scotland. Hence, it is very clear that when we compare the quality of a proper noun with the other, we can use the before that particular proper noun. So this is the first rule of using the before names of persons and countries. Let's move on to the second rule. Now, the second rule of using the before names of persons is when we have an adjective preceding the proper noun. For example, the great Ashoka. When we say the great Ashoka, we see that Ashoka's name is preceded by the adjective great. Hence, we can say the great Ashoka. Now, let's move on to the third rule of using the before names of places. So dear viewers, we can use the before names of countries or states which are collectively formed. For example, the United States of America, which is comprised of 50 states, or the United Kingdoms, which is comprised of 4 countries, England, Scotland, Wales and North Ireland. However, Certain English scholars have given a different explanation behind using the before names of countries. One of such explanation is that countries which consist the words states, republic, federation or kingdom in them use the before their names. For example, the United States of America, United Kingdom, the Republic of China or the Russian Federation. The other explanation is that countries which consist of islands use the before their names, for example, the West Indies or the Maldives. Now, a question might arise in many of your minds that if we can use the before the name of countries which is comprised of a number of states, then why don't we say the India? You will notice that we don't even say the America. We say the United States of America. It means that only when you have the word states in it, you can use the United States of America, or else you need to say America. Similarly, if I want to use the before India, we need to say the Republic of India, and then it is absolutely correct. Otherwise, we need to say India. I hope you all found my video useful. If you think so, don't forget to give a like to my video and share it as much as possible. Also comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell so that the next time I come up with my new video, you all get notified. So with this, I end up my video today. Thank you for watching.